Okay, so I'm trying to figure out the best way to go about this for tarot. I'm going to pull everything off of this rack because this is typically going to be my favorites rack. Let's see if I can rotate you a little bit more here. Whee! Okay. Okay, so this is usually my tarot favorites rack, so I'm going to pull everything off of this rack specifically and repick my favorites. And then I'm just going to basically space everything else out. So you can just hang around if you want to watch that process. I also have a few decks. These are decks that I haven't worked with yet. And this is a deck that needs a bag, I think, because it used to live up here. I mean, I guess technically it could still live up here, but I don't want it there anymore. Maybe I do. Maybe I can't make up my mind about anything. I don't know what to do. We'll put her there. We'll put Cat Marseille back there. Okay, then I don't need to find a bag for that. But these are decks that are currently I haven't worked with yet. So these are going to go over here in a secret little pile. And then I'm going to pull everything off of here, repick my favorites to go back up here, unless I know it's going to stay. Maybe I should just pull off the... I need to repick, right? I need to repick. Yeah, I'm going to repick. Who knows if I'll actually change it in the end. But, okay, I'm going to get started. Like, there's just some you know are going to stay, right? So my This Might Hurt is definitely staying as a favorite. My Mons Tarot 2nd edition is definitely staying as a favorite. So I like to hang this to the embroidery shows. So I'm actually going to hang this one right here so that I can still so I can position it so I can kind of see the embroidery. Yeah, that's cute. Let's do that. So this is my 2nd edition. My 1st edition lives in its precious box up there. But actually, that's my favorite. This one I don't reach for a ton because I don't necessarily reach for my Mons Tarot for clients. So actually, I can't bear to move it. It's staying. It's staying. I can't deal. I definitely want to put my Sakurai Bito, my Mermaid Tarot. Okay, wait. Okay. My Rainbow Heart Tarot is definitely still a favorite. These strings are definitely way too long, but I don't think it matters over here because I don't have a rack beneath, but it does look kind of comical. So I am going to shorten them to like there-ish. Okay, Rainbow Heart Tarot. We're still a little long, but we're going to leave it. My Tattoo Tarot Ink and Intuition. I think I still want that to live up here. It's currently my favorite pip deck, so yeah. Spread these out. Yeah. Tarot of the She. Yes, you're staying over here. And my Sakurai Bito. Yeah. I'm not changing this much, am I? My Textured Tarot and my Light Seers Tarot. Textured and Light Seers. I think I'm going to hang Mons Tarot there so I can see it from bed. There we go. So let's move you down. Let's move you down. Let's Light Seers. Okay. Mermaid and Gorgons are gonna stay. Mermaid and Gorgons. The rest of those we're gonna wait. Okay. So now we're gonna rotate to over here. So I'm gonna use this top shelf up there. Oh, you can't really see it. Let's adjust slightly. So I have a top rack up there. So that's where I'm going to put seasonal decks or decks that I don't think I'm going to work with for a while. Yeah, that's what's happening up there. And beside that, we're going to just try to spread everything out a bit. But I want to pick a few more favorites. So I've got room for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more favorites. So let me just think. Let me think. What else do I have? Okay, so let me move the seasonals because that's easy. So, oh, my strings came undone. By the way, if this ever happens with your bags, it's really easy to fix. You just find your ends, wrap it around. Oh, I need to fix my viewfinder. I can't see myself. That's not good. There, no, I know. So anyways, you just fix your ends and you just wrap it around a finger and pull it through. I don't know, that's probably a terrible tutorial, but it's like a very simple knot. So I'm just going to work it near the very, very end. So I like to do that by just kind of rolling it between two fingers and pushing up as I tighten the knot. So yeah. So this is my Bohemian Gothic tarot, so that can go. I don't want to disturb my dog who's in it. Oh, I'm really short for this. Oh. Okay, good enough. Other seasonal decks. My Zombie Tarot, that's here. Dog is like not bothered. That can go there. So these are like my Halloween decks here. Anything else seasonal? I guess I can put my Deviant Moon up there because it's mostly seasonal. Okay. Deviant Moon. Okay. Favorites. Actually, let's put Deviant Moon in favorites because I'll reach for it more. So I'm going to move it over here. Other favorites. Let's move over another Pip deck. So this is my Mythical Creatures by Baba Studios. I'm going to move that over to favorites. Okay. What else might move to favorites? Harry Potter I haven't worked with in a while. My Luminous Void, perhaps? Oh, you know what? I'm going to move over my... If I can find her. Oh, it's over there. Okay, hold on. In my favorites basket. I have things I forgot about. I'm going to leave a spot on my favorites for Oak, Ash, and Thorn. Yeah, so Oak, Ash, and Thorn is going to be one of those spots. I also forgot I had an Oracle spot for Oracle of Echoes when I was doing the Oracles. I forgot Oracle of Echoes lives over there, but it's over here because I need it for a video. Okay. Alice Tarot could probably go in my favorites. Yeah, let's put Alice in favorites. So I've actually taken 2 hooks off my favorites rack because it just hangs better that way. I can't stop moving out of frame. I'm sorry. The worst. Okay, so I took 2 hooks off of that. So that hangs better because I really don't need more than 14 favorites. I guess that's good. So I've got 1 open spot for adding Oak, Ash, and Thorn, which is currently in a bin because I need it for a video. So I've got an area to put decks I'm not going to work with for a while, so seasonal decks up there. I have now an overcrowded one here, so I'm going to move a few things over. I need to like figure out a system. Well, see, that's an animal deck. I feel like I need to sort things a little. So let me just move over some things that aren't animal decks for a second and see where I end up. So you are an animal deck, so I think I want to hang you. Do I want my animal decks up high? Okay, I'm probably going to speed this up as I fuss here. Okay, I'm getting sweaty. So, quick update to where I'm at. So, what I realized is this rack to the side, I'm going to swivel you. Make sure I can see. So this rack over here, hanging on this wall, I realize is a perfect spot to put decks that I'm planning to work with soon. So at the time I'm filming that, this is my Tarot of Transformation, like decks that I haven't worked with at all yet. So Tarot of Transformation, this is my Spirit Song Tarot, which recently came back to me, and this is the Illuminated Tarot, and there's a few others I can put over there. Namely the, oh wait, sorry, this is the Spirit Song Tarot. Yeah, so I've got a few other things I can put over there. So I've got my Tarot Alma, which I haven't worked with yet. My Queen Alice Tarot, which I haven't worked with yet. And then other decks I'm holding can go in those spots. And I also have a really funky Thoth deck here somewhere. There we go. Yes. Walkthroughs of these may or may not be up yet. I don't remember. And there's probably a couple others. So I'm just going to do a quick scan. What else I haven't worked with at all yet that might be hanging here? So I've worked with you guys. I've worked with you. I'm just kind of scanning out of camera for a second. You know what? I'm technically going to move over Mystical Cats and Magical Dogs because I've used them, but I haven't worked with them like for a week for myself yet. I think that's all I have for tarot that I haven't worked with for myself at all. Just double checking that I'm not lying to myself here. Okay, so let's go back. So this is what I've got hanging on the to be worked with pile. And then over on this wall, here we go. Okay, so I have animal decks here. So I have like my Wild Unknown, my Crow Tarot, my Tarot Fauna, my El Goliath, my, this is so cute, this is the Affirmators Animal Tarot. This is not, that does not belong. This is my Bad Girl Tarot. So this actually goes somewhere else. But this is perfect actually. So I'll hang this on a different hook. Hold on. Okay. Let's move her down here. This is the only place I really have any sorting system going on. So, and then this is my Naked Heart Tarot and my Brady Tarot 2nd edition. So I've got 2 hooks in the middle here because I'm going to be putting my Oak Ash and Thorn. Oh no, I said I was going to put it over there. It doesn't matter. But there's a spot for it. And my Spirit Song Tarot, which I haven't worked with yet. This is just mix and match, but there's nothing here I don't think that's seasonal that I can't reach for at any time, so that's that. Same thing down here, this is just a mix and a mix. These are my Lenormand and Tarot tiles. I do want to shorten these cords a bit though, and I kind of want to maybe move them somewhere else, but you know what, I'm going to put them, actually, I'm going to put them over on my to be worked with area because then the long strings won't matter. So, and they're easy to get at. Perfect. So mix and match, mix and match. These are seasonal or like semi-retired decks, and there may be a few more. Wait, I forgot I can't see myself. I thought my recording had stopped. This is going to be the most like sloppy video you guys have ever seen from me probably. Anyways. So my Halloween Oracle decks and a couple decks I only work with at Halloween for tarot, my Bohemian Gothic and my Zombie Tarot. And then this is like a semi-retired Oracle deck that I pulled already from the Oracle section. I think it's time I finally let this poor lollipop go. So this came to me with the Happy Tarot when it was sent to me from a beautiful soul, and I kept it with the Happy Tarot ever since, but I think it's time to let it go because it seems a little sticky on the outside. So we're going to let that go. So I have spots, some open spots here. I've got lots of open space up at the top here. So I can change this system up, but I want the things I'm not going to be reaching for as much to be on the top for sure. So what I might start doing and what I'm thinking of doing is, other than seasonal decks, if I've just worked with the deck and it's not like an animal deck or a favorite, I'll probably put it up there because I know I won't be reaching it again for myself anyway for like a little while. So that's kind of what I'm thinking, but I do have room to grow, which is good because I needed that. Okay, so the aftermath. So this is the front, the door coming into my room. I have a printer section. This is where I have decks to be worked with that I haven't worked with yet, as well as my tarot and Lenormand tiles here. I have my bookshelf. Let's go this way. My filming equipment is still set up. So I have my bookshelf. I have my tarot books here, fiction, coloring books, and more tarot books, more general tarot books, crafty stuff, more magic and witchy books down there, Over here, we have the adorable party that is this stuffy section, which I love. We have altar space happening down there. That is the head of the bed where I have all kinds of stuff. I have some musical instruments and all that kind of stuff. Let's go back over here. Oh, look, aftermath of the filming. So here is the wall o' tarot. There is a couple Invader Oracle decks up here where I have like a seasonal section. So I have a semi-retired Oracle deck, basically, two Halloween Oracles and two kind of Halloween time tarot decks. And then over here, I have animal decks. And that's about it for how sorted this is. Down here, we have a pupper. Hello, pupper. Hello, pupper. Hi, Shayla. Hi, pretty girl. Okay, anyways. Then here we have our Oracle corner. So looking pretty good. I still need to hang up my Oracle of Echoes and my Animal Speak tiles. And over here I have some special, more like fancy decks, including my beautiful Mystic Masters from none other than Danny Mystic. Up here, some just pretty stuff, and my Mons Tarot First Edition and Whispering Spirits by Joanna Nelson, my book. And then over here is the infamous favorites rack, which I updated. So as a recap, This Might Hurt Tarot, Rainbow Heart Tarot, my Bohemian, oh my gosh, my Deviant Moon Tarot, Tarot of the She, Light Seers, Fountain, Textured Tarot, Gorgons Tarot, Mermaid Tarot, Witch's Wisdom Tarot, the Tattoo Tarot, Ink and Intuition, the Mythical Creatures Tarot, and my Mons Tarot 2nd edition, which is the one I can pull out for other people because the 1st edition is just for me. This is also my Last Unicorn Tarot here, which is always available. And in this box is my Tildwick Tarot. Down here, we have some special decks. So I have my Soul Cards 1 and 2. This is my Mythic Tarot with Guidebook. This is my Tabula Mundi with Guidebook, a Thoth Tarot for Study, and my Animantress Chakra Animal deck. Some affirmation decks. Some mini decks. My Tarot's in a Tin and my Lenormand decks live in there. Man, I think that's it. I think that's it, guys. Whew, I have a couple other random things. Oh, let's go over here. Sure. Don't mind the light. So here are a couple decks. So Dreamscapes is going to get a bag and get hung until I figure out what I want to do with it. This one is going to be rehomed. This one is going to be rehomed. The Prince Lenormand. The Enchanted Unicorn Oracle is going to be rehomed. And these two decks, the Land Sky Oracle and the Yogic Path, are actually going to live with my yoga stuff. So let's go do that now. Joop, joop. So I just have my yoga cushion, yoga blanket, and that's where those are going to live. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I feel so accomplished. Redesigned the whole room. Oh, there's my camera. Redesigned the whole room. Organized all of my decks. Oh, there's my light again. Gosh, I'm bad at this vloggy kind of style thing. Anyways, that's what we got, guys. My recap. Oh, there's my finger. That was my recap of this whole experience. So thank you for hanging out with me. I'm going to put this together in maybe a few videos, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, subscribe, do all the fun things. Remember, if you want to book a reading with me, you can always do that over at supportivetarot.com. Thank you so, so much, and may your magic always shine from the inside out. Bye, guys.